Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What is your name?
My name is Kun.
Queen, how are you today?
I'm 6
How are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm 6
Okay, let's proceed for this one. Look at this picture. They are at the beach wherein the boy is fishing. Now my question is that, what is the boy doing?
Swim.
Swimming. Alright, can you run, Queen? Yes or no? Can you run? Run? Yes or no?
Red.
Yes, alright. Now, how many fish are there?
2.
Now, are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
No, alright. Now, what animal is this?
Elephant.
Now, what word it starts with letter F?
Foot.
Okay, proceed for this one. What can the kangaroo do?
Chin.
Jump. And what are they?
Insect.
How many insects are there? How many insects are there?
3.
3. Now, do you have a sister, Queen? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
Alright. Peter is at the shop and there are many fruits. So where is the banana? Okay. How many apples do you see?
Apple.
How many?
2.
2 apples. Alright. Now what is the boys doing?
Happy.
What is the boys doing? Eating. Alright. Are there 4 cakes in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
Alright. How does she feel? Your answer a while ago.
Happy.
Happy. Alright. Now, what food do you like?
I like orange.
Okay, how many oranges do you see, my dear? If you like orange?
1.
Alright, so that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you, Quinn.
Goodbye.